catch it. Throw it to Daddy.
Okay, arms out. Ready, set. And work on this whole catching thing, Abby. Okay. Throw it back. Oh, very good throw. Okay, ready? Arms out. Hold them out there. Leave them there. Ready? 1, 2. Ready? Get your arms out. Keep your arms out. You gotta leave your arms out.
Maybe you should teach her how to catch it.
Okay. Good job. Good job.
Good throw.
Okay, now keep your arms out. Keep your arms out. Don't let go. Don't stop. Keep your arms out. Don't move them. Ready?